You're working on a Python project, and sometimes you just want to skip over certain errors without crashing the whole program. Let me show you a few situations where this makes your code cleaner and more robust. First, imagine you're trying to delete a file that might or might not exist. If the file is missing, Python usually throws a file not found error and stops everything. But with suppress, you can tell Python, it's okay, just move on if it's not there. No error messages, no interruption, just smooth execution. Next, think about working with lists. You try to remove an item, but what if that item isn't even in the list? Normally, Python raises a value error and your code breaks. With suppress, that error is quietly ignored. It's like Python shrugs and moves on. And then we have dictionaries. Let's say you're trying to delete a key that doesn't exist. Without suppress, Python would complain with a key error. But again, you can wrap that line with suppress and tell Python, if the key's not there, don't worry about it. As you can see, contextlib.suppress is a clean and elegant way to handle exceptions you expect and don't want to deal with every time. If you like Python tips like this, make sure to subscribe for more.